good evening everyone. I show you what is this plant. Of course everybody know this, mostly about maybe 60% know this. This is a lace. It's a very beautiful, but it's a very large flower, as you can see here. Since this is a perfect summer now with a temperature of 19 degrees here in France, all the flowers are blooming. And this area here, it's located in Normandy, France. Very, very amazing flower. Since I love gardening, I love to show you what I have here. You see that? It's a beautiful white lace flower. And it's not only that, I have also here these roses. We call this here anniversary rose. The name of this rose. It's created. It's an English create this variety. Very beautiful. It's a massive flower. It's just a small branch here, but it's full of flower. The leaves is still in a bulb. That one, but the other one, it's already open. Red roses, geranium. Geranium, it's a very good flowers to put it in the window. It's because against the mosquito. Mosquito don't like the smell of this flower. I plant a lot of geranium. All the windows have geranium. Is to protect the mosquito enter in the house if we open, because I open every morning to have some aerate fresh air. I make a turn, and this one, it's our lavender. This is a mini lavender. Geranium. Look at the massive of the roses. The flower, it's massive. Smell, it's very good smell. It's a lot of perfume. You know what is this flower? Of course, this is, you know, it mostly 99% know this. This is a lavender. and I have heard just started. We call this Kala Lily. A beautiful petals of Kala Lily. This is the beauty. Once again, the rose. This is our Baba. It's Artemisia. Beautiful, and this is really a very good herbal. I plant everywhere the Artemisia album. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye. It's Tita Yagi channel. Bye.